In this video I'm going to show you how you can get a custom crosshair in Fortnite mobile. Load up the App Store or the Google Play Store and you want to search for Crosshair Fortnite. Use the search bar, like I said, scroll down and you want to get this app, Custom Crosshair. Click on it and install it. Once this app has been installed, it's going to look like this. You want to open it up. Design your custom crosshair. I'm gonna ask not to track. Find your perfect aim. Build your gamer profile. Let me just close this. At the very end, it's gonna show you this screen, but you don't have to pay for it. You can just close it and it's gonna look like this. Now right here, you have the option of generating a random crosshair and you can see it here. You can click on the different maps and how it's going to look like. And this is our custom crosshair, and like I said, you can change the color of it. So here you have pink, you have cyan, and also you have the option of enabling center dot like so, and you can change the size of the center dot as well. And also the inner lines, you can either toggle them on or off, and you have a lot of customization options. But if you don't like that specific crosshair, you have the option of clicking on random and it's going to show us different ones. Every few times you press the random button, then it's gonna give us ads, but you can proceed. And as you can see, I am generating different crosshairs, many ads. But basically, once you find a crosshair which you like, then you will click on copy code, which is going to give you the code, and you can put it in Fortnite mobile. And also if you have a code for a custom crosshair which you have copied, then you will click on paste code here, allow paste, and you can paste it and see what it looks like. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.